माई चीफ इंजीनियर शाउटिंग एट मी, ही इज कम, मेरे को सारा टाइम गाली देता रहता है, मैं तो परेशान हूँ. Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. This is Chief Engineer Praneeth Mehta in front of you, and let us talk about today one important topic, that is Mansik Utpीड़न, mental harassment. So what happened was कि yesterday I was at my academy and one of the parents, one of the father came with his son all the way from Punjab to take admission in JMD Academy so that their son can study over there and get a good shipping company. And then he said very reluctantly, सर एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूँ. उसने पूछिए सर, प्लीज़ गो अहेड एंड आस्क. कहते सर क्या जहाज पे मानसिक उत्पीड़न होता है? सर इज देयर मेंटल हैरेसमेंट ऑन बोर्ड शिप? मैंने बोला सर व्हाई आर यू आस्किंग सो? नहीं सर, हमने सुना है, हमने देखा है, हमने पूछा है. आई आस्क्ड हिम वन सिंपल क्वेश्चन. मैंने बोला सर मानसिक हैरेसमेंट होता क्या है? मैंने बोला सर जब आप अपने बेटे को व्हेन ही गेट्स बैड मार्क्स and when you shout at him, scold him, or sometimes even beat the crap out of him, thrashing him like anything, is it मानसिक उत्पीड़न? कहते नहीं सर, that is not मानसिक उत्पीड़न. मैंने बोला क्यों सर? कहते नहीं सर, हक है, गलती कर रहा है, मारेंगे. मैंने बोला वहीं सर कोई टीचर डांट दे स्कूल के अंदर, one teacher shouts at him, why the hell did you do not do this? And today parents go to the school and fight with the teacher. How dare you scold my son or my daughter? Wow. So guys, see, the term mental harassment has come up today. Depression, the world has come up. Postpartum depression, there are so many sorts of depression that have come in today. But again, remember one thing, there are a few people जिनकी ज़िंदगी में एक ही एजेंडा है every day, and that is to earn a living. आज मैं दिन में काम करूँगा, एक दिहाड़ी कमाऊँगा 400 रुपये, तो मेरे घर वाले रोज वाले रोटी खाएंगे. दैट इज हार्ड वर्क. उस टाइम पे जो मेंटल प्रेशर है वो है कि व्हाट इफ आई कैन नॉट अर्न टुडे, व्हाट इफ आई डू नॉट गेट दैट मनी, व्हाट विल माय फैमिली? दैट कैन बी मेंटल हैरेसमेंट बाय गॉड और व्हाटसएवर इट इज. But if someone is shouting at you because you do not know your work, someone is shouting at you because you are late at work, someone is shouting at you because you have never taken initiative, you are bad at it, that is mansik utpीड़न bullshit. That is your problem, not that person's. I have never ever seen on board ship in my life that if I was good at my work, my senior shouted at me. Never ever happened. But whenever I was wrong, I was bluntly shouted at, abused even at times. So when I was bad at it, I deserved it, and I had to become better. There were two courses. Either I could have just kept complaining, my chief engineer is shouting at me, he's come, मेरे को सारा टाइम गाली देता रहता है, मैं तो परेशान हूँ. Or I get up, I know he's shouting at me because I'm not good at my work. Come on, let me read manuals, let me become the hardest working engineer on board ship, let me do that, and slowly everything will fall into place. So you decide what your course of action could be. Either it can be quitting, either it can be jumping into sea, or either it can be moving ahead, either it can be not giving up, either it can be I will become better, I will prove myself to this person who is shouting at me today that I am the best, I am the good one. I'll improve myself so much that he will say ki I need you, you are the best person in the team. I will become an asset for him. If you have that attitude, if you can do that, nobody can stop you, nobody will ever shout at you. So अगर कोई मुझे बोले जी मेरा मानसिक उत्पीड़न हो रहा है, मैं पहले तुम पे बोलूंगा भाई पहले अपने आप को सुधारो, अपना आप को देखो कि तुम कहां गलत हो. अगेन बिकॉज आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव इन होल वर्ल्ड इज गुड एंड आई एम बैड, होल वर्ल्ड इज गुड एंड आई एम बैड, होल वर्ल्ड इज गुड एंड आई एम बैड. So with this guys, I know there are going to be a lot of comment section coming in this, जहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग बोलेंगे सर I don't agree with you. Fine, no worries with that. But again, hardships हर किसी की लाइफ में आती हैं, struggles हर किसी की लाइफ में आती है, नहीं आई है तो बहुत दिक्कत में आनी चाहिए. And a message to all the parents today, including me, that is कि today we can form a shield on our children. थिंकिंग कि नहीं इसको कोई डांटे नहीं, इसको कोई फटकारे नहीं, इसको कुछ बोले नहीं, ही शुड हैव एन ईजी लाइफ, एवरीथिंग शुड फॉल इनटू प्लेस. यस, टुडे वी कैन डू दैट. बट व्हेन दैट चाइल्ड becomes 18, 19, 20 years old, and when he goes in a company to work and there he finds a boss who is strict, he will never be able to take that pressure and challenge. बिकॉज ही इज नेवर सीन इट. सो ट्रस्ट मी, थिंक अबाउट इट कि जो आप वो शील्ड बना रहे हो, जिसको सेफ्टी नेट दे रहे हो, क्या वो सही है कि गलत. वी पीपल एज एन इंडियन कम्युनिटी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी फॉलो द वेस्टर्न कल्चर नाउ, बट वी फॉलो इट half heartedly, not fully. What does western culture do today? What they do is till 16 17, okay, they do not thrash you, they do not beat the crap out of their children, but yes, if a punishment is given, then a punishment is given. Say if they are angry with their son, they tell him for 5 days no TV, nothing, and they mean it. No TV. हमारी तरह नहीं, रात को बोला अच्छा सुबह से तू टीवी नहीं देखेगा, अगले दिन चल देख ले कोई बात नहीं. डन. By the age of 17 they make him independent. Okay, जाओ घर से बाहर, do a job, find a job, earn for yourself, do everything. But what we Indians do is till 17 we follow the western culture. No, हम नहीं मारेंगे, we will proper follow a shell culture. But after 17, no, हम अभी भी नहीं मारेंगे, तेरी बीटेक मरीन इंजीनियरिंग भी कराएंगे, तेरा एजुकेशन लोन भी देंगे, तेरा पूरा ख्याल रखेंगे बेटा जब तक कि तू नौकरी नहीं करता. And when you go for a ship, when you go for sailing, or when you go for a job, when there you find someone who is shouting at you, oh God, mental harassment कर दिया बे इसने, तो मेरा तो दिमाग खराब कर दिया. So please, for the sake of God, work on yourself. कोई mental harassment नहीं होता यार, अगर अपना काम आता है, अपना काम अच्छे से करो, मन लगा के करो, you are always above this league. Thank you very much. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज कमेंट. अगर ये खराब लगा है, बिकॉज डेफिनेटली यू कैन agree to disagree with me, always do write in the comment section, share your things, maybe it can change my viewpoint. Share it with your friends as well, because शायद किसी की जिंदगी बन जाए, शायद किसी की जिंदगी बच जाए. And along with that, please go through this playlist, you will find more such videos जिसमें शायद you might agree or you might disagree as well. Thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.